Hello guys, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to buy UpCake Token on Trustwallet. Before I start, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video. So first of all guys, I'm not financial advisor and this is not financial advice. It's just video tutorial how to buy this token. So if you decide to buy this token, please do a research and after that make the decision. So after you make the decision, then close CoinMarketCap and now you need to open Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet on your mobile phone, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So after that, just open Trustwallet and now you need to buy BNB. Because to buy UpCake token, you need to swap your BNB to it. So first of all, go and buy BNB, clicking buy, choose the amount of BNB and buy it on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Just go to receive, copy this wallet address and send BNB from any other crypto markets to your Trustwallet. So after you will have BNB on your account, then you can go back to CoinMarketCap, scroll a little bit down and click here this copy icon. You should copy Binance Smart Chain address, which is the contract address. You should copy this contract address and go back to Trustwallet. Now guys, you need to go to the apps, scroll a little bit down and choose Pancakeswap. Click select currency, paste the contract address here, click import, understand, import, and then you should go to settings and set slippage tolerance to 18. So if you're going to buy this token, you need to set 18%, and if you are going to sell it, you should set 30%. Now guys, you should choose the amount of UpCake token you want to buy and then you should swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.